I'm Lucy Baker, I'm a confidence coach and I'm a professional makeup artist, and I help women to become confident inside and out. So next on the list is wearing bright lipstick. I love lipstick and I'm a big fan of lipstick, and whatever you're going through in your life and however down you feel or however your confidence has been knocked by whatever is happening, it sounds like a little thing, a little silly thing sometimes, but putting on bright lipstick or great lipstick can really give you a confidence boost. It can help you get out the door, go and meet friends for coffee, go to your local shop, go to an art gallery, whatever it is. If you feel like you've got that kind of strength just from lipstick, it can really help you. So my tip would be to invest in a lovely lipstick and wear it all the time.